Dog visits hospital to say goodbye to her dying owner. There are perhaps no affections more pure than the love and loyalty this dog named Molly has for her favorite person. Enduring even as he slipped beyond to a place where she could not follow. Last month, Molly's owner, 33-year-old Brian Jesson, was hospitalized after suffering a brain hemorrhage. From which he would not recover. Friends and family gathered by Jesson's bed were all stricken with grief before he finally passed away on November 30th. But they still never forgot what he meant to Molly, and they let his care staff know. The hospital did the sweetest thing for us and allowed us to bring my brother's dog in to say goodbye. So she'd know why her human never came home. If you knew my brother, he really loved his sweet dog. While the recording of that touching scene was likely intended for folks who knew Jesson, it struck a chord among people from around the world for so perfectly. Capturing the love between a man and his dog. And the open-heartedness of those who arranged for their final farewell. We are sincerely touched and humbled by other stories. They're sharing in our sadness and the kindness of so many people. Michelle writes, "Don't worry about the dog. We're keeping her. She's part of the family." T will no doubt take time for Jesson's family and friends to cope with his loss. His legacy will live on, especially in the heart of the dog who loved him best.